Dive into Mind Syrup, your sweet spot for science and technology enlightenment.
Ever wondered what the future of sustainable energy might look like? Could it lie within the very rocks beneath our feet? Imagine a world where energy is not just clean, but also abundant, and it's all thanks to something as common as iron-rich rocks. These are not your ordinary rocks, but vast deposits of banded iron formations and ironstones that can produce clean hydrogen fuel. This is where the magic happens: hydrothermal carbonization. It's a process that transforms these rocks, abundant across the United States, into a sustainable energy source. By applying heat and water, we can extract hydrogen efficiently and sustainably right from these rocks. It's a process that's not only efficient, but also self-sustaining, requiring no external energy source once it kicks off. Now that we've got a glimpse into the future of sustainable energy, let's dive deeper into the process of hydrothermal carbonization. Hydrothermal carbonization might sound complex, but it's a simple process that nature has been performing for millions of years. So let's demystify it a bit. Picture this. We start with iron-rich rocks, abundant in many parts of America. These rocks are crushed into a fine powder, a step that increases their surface area, allowing for more efficient reactions later on. Next, we take this iron-rich powder and mix it with water. This mixture is then subjected to high temperatures, usually in the range of 700 to 800 degrees Celsius. It's at this point that the magic truly happens. The heat energy initiates a reaction called hydrolysis. The water molecules are split apart into hydrogen and oxygen. The oxygen then reacts with the iron oxide in the powder, resulting in pure iron metal and steam. Meanwhile, the hydrogen, our star player, is released as a gas and can be collected. What's remarkable about this process is that it's self-sustaining. Once the initial heat is applied, the reaction itself provides enough energy to keep going. This means we don't need a constant external energy source to keep the process running. And the hydrogen produced? It's incredibly pure, requiring minimal additional processing before it can be used as a zero-emission fuel. So, essentially, we're taking rocks, water, and heat, and producing hydrogen, a clean, zero-emission fuel. Isn't that fascinating? Beyond the science, why does this process matter? Hydrothermal carbonization, a process that transforms iron-rich rocks into clean hydrogen fuel, does more than just produce energy. It's a self-sustaining cycle, needing no external energy source once it begins. The hydrogen yielded is incredibly pure, requiring little to no extra processing before it's ready to use as a zero-emission fuel. As we look towards a sustainable future, it's exciting to see how we can harness the natural resources around us in innovative ways, like turning rocks into fuel through hydrothermal carbonization.
Cherish knowledge? Give a thumbs up, hit subscribe, explore science and tech.